To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. If your #1 reason not to work out is the lack of time, we have the solution for you. Working out from home without any equipment saves you time and money. And with our 6 noise-free exercises, the least you'll gain from trying them out is some abs. 1. The 60-second plank. Take the position of a push-up by placing your palms face down on the floor and shoulder-width apart. Keep your core tight and make sure the length of your body forms a straight line. Hold this position for 60 seconds. If this is too easy for you, try lifting your right arm and left leg simultaneously for 30 seconds and change sides for the other half. 2. The Triceps Plunge. You can use your bed for this exercise. Place your hands on the edge of the bed by your hips. Your legs and elbows should be in a right-angled position. Using your arms, lift your upper body while maintaining knees directly above your heels. The elbows should be extended. Repeat this 10 times. 3. Superman. Start by laying face down and extend your legs. Keep your neck in a neutral position. Then extend your arms and legs upward so your body is stretched out into a U position. Keep this position for about 3 seconds by holding back in a lower area. Lower, and repeat 10 times. 4. Glute Bridge. Lie face up on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Keep your arms at your side with your palms down. Lift your hips off the ground until your knees, hips, and shoulders form a straight line. Squeeze those glutes hard and keep your abs drawn in so you don't overextend your back during the exercise. Hold your bridged position for a couple of seconds before easing back down. Repeat this sequence 10 times. 5. Wall sit. Lean your back against a vertical wall. Position your body as if you are sitting in a chair in front of you. Your knees and hips should both be at 90 degrees, and your knees should point forward along with your toes. Hold this position for 1 minute. These are a few of the exercises which should be practiced at home if you want to remain active and fit. Repeat these exercises for 3 full sets, 3 times a week for maximum benefits, and you'll see those abs in no time at all. Love these suggestions? Let us know if you've tried them out in the comments below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.